Welcome to the video, everyone. We had a great month in February, very happy, and I thought I'd do a quick video to give you an update. There's a bit of a clickbaity title in that we didn't really make almost $15,000 in profit. I will go into that in a little minute, but for now, as you can see here on our Sell Essentials, so you can see that we did over 1,200 items ordered in the month of February. So we did just over $36,000. So we're pretty happy. You can see here, this is the point when we launched 2 of our new products. So up until this point, we were doing like 40-ish units a day before this, and then you can see we jumped up and we actually did over 100 units and had our best day ever for nearly $3,000. So round of applause. I'm not going to do that, but super happy. It's always amazing when you launch a new product and things go well. They should have actually arrived at Amazon a little bit sooner than they did, these 2 new products. So we didn't see the full effect. So March, we're actually forecasting in March that we should hopefully do almost $70,000 in revenue. So we should do nearly double this amount, because as you can see here, this massively jumped up when they arrived. They arrived on like the 25th of February, both of the new products. They launched within a day of each other. They've both gone really well. They've been selling very well. PPC cost on these products is a little bit higher than what we're used to with our other products, because they are in a bit more of a competitive sort of sub niche. They're under the same brand that we sell everything in, because as you know, if you watch the channel, we are growing our own FBA brand. But yeah, super happy with the results. I want to jump over here quickly to Shopkeeper. As we always do, we like to show you inside the numbers, inside the data, give you an honest insight into the world of Amazon FBA and into the world of our own business. So as you can see here, in the last 30 days, we've done just over $42,000 in revenue, and our profit is pretty ridiculous. It's nearly $15,000. But as I said, I will explain that is a bit of a clickbaity sort of title and an introduction to this, because the reason that profit number is so high is because we actually got a tax rebate in the US. So I think Tom is going to do a bit more of an in-depth video on this at some point, because he was the one that sorted all this out for us. To summarize what happened is, we are a UK limited company and we're selling in the US. So we don't have an LLC, we don't have an American company. We have a UK company, and we noticed that Amazon were charging us VAT on all of our seller fees, all of our PPC, everything, and they shouldn't really have been doing that. So we actually spoke to a few different people. Long story short is, we got $9,000 back in tax that we'd paid that we shouldn't have paid. So Shopkeeper, for some reason, counts that as profit, which I guess technically it kind of is, because our margin is much higher now moving forward, but also for all those months that we were paying that tax when we shouldn't have been paying it. So now that profit is back in our back pocket. So that's nearly $10,000 in liquid cash for us to add to the business. So that's amazing, because we had no idea this time 3 months ago that we were paying that. But you can see last month, so if we take away that so 14,751, I think it was $9,000 that we got back almost exactly. So we made just under $6,000 in profit. I'm really happy with that, as I said, because the 2 new products that we launched, they didn't really get going until like the last few days of February. So March is going to be big. To dive in a little bit deeper here into the actual sort of breakdown, if you don't have Shopkeeper, we have a 30-day free trial. Link is in the description, as always. It's an amazing tool if you want to use it. So you can see here, the kangaroo and the seahorse are our new products. Shopkeeper does this so we can present these to you without everybody finding our products. We do kind of think somebody has found our products. We don't really mind. We would just appreciate it if you didn't go showing it to everybody, because you know we don't want nasty negative reviews. We don't want all of that stuff. But one day, I think we will actually reveal what our brand is, and also what our second brand is that we're working on. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Over 1,300 units sold, 36,000 in revenue. I'll just show you a quick breakdown of what that kind of looks like. So you have all of your principal sort of revenue numbers here. So we actually did over 37,000, but then obviously within that you have some promotions, you have you have all of your taxes, your shipping, all of that good stuff. Then it breaks down your Amazon fee. So this is what's amazing about Shopkeeper. If you're not using it, it allows you to just see all of your costs, like all of your PPC, all of your tax. Your service fee subscription is in there. Basically, it just includes absolutely everything, so you can know exactly what your profit is at all times, which is obviously super useful when you're running an Amazon business. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the quick breakdown of February. Again, yeah, super happy. We've been working hard, and it's amazing when all of the hard work sort of pays off. We're seeing these numbers just increase. These 2 new products are going really well. We're very confident. We are working with a designer at the moment who is based in Israel for a second brand. So we're aiming to get this brand, hopefully by the end of the year, to at least 80 to 90, hopefully $100,000 a month overall. We've got some other products within this niche that we're looking at. All of the products that we've got at the moment, the ROI, the margin on them is really healthy. We've managed to increase that really well over the past few months, and everything that we're launching now, we're prioritizing a really high ROI because you really see the difference in your bottom line. So if you are in the product research stage, if you're looking into Amazon at the moment, you really need to understand how important your ROI is. You need to make sure that the money that you're getting back into the business is strong enough so that you can put that money back and regrow into more products and more growth and more revenue and all that stuff. So yeah, we've got this second brand that I'm super excited about. This is a product that I hope Tom won't mind me saying, but I found this product, as always, you know, Tom and I do all of this stuff together, but this was something that I came across, a niche that I came across. I'm really excited about it. I think this could be an 8-figure business. I know that's obviously sounds huge, but I genuinely think it could be an 8-figure brand. So we will be developing that. We're going to take our time. It's going to be slow. We're letting all of the cash from our primary brand come back into the business. We're letting that all stack up. We're going to be adding new products, but at the minute we're super happy. You know, we should do $70,000 this month, like I said, in March. Then that should continue until about June, and then we do see some of the demand in this niche drop off a little bit, but then what we want to do is we want to launch some products that are more popular over Q4 and moving into winter. Everything that we're doing, we're prioritizing quality with the new stuff we're bringing out. We're trying to differentiate as much as we can. The second brand, like I said, I keep mentioning, I'm really excited about because we are creating a product completely from scratch. Nobody else is going to have the same product as us. It's going to be super high quality. It's going to be fixing a lot of the issues that people complain about. And this is a big, big niche. So this investment for us is probably going to cost us north of $50,000. We're going to be putting at least $50,000 to $60,000 into this second brand. And I'm super excited. I think it's going to be absolutely massive. I envision this being a direct-to-consumer brand. I'm excited to go down the route of building our own Shopify site and having a TikTok presence and, you know, all of these new fancy sort of marketing channels. I'm building something away from Amazon. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep your eyes peeled, like and subscribe to the channel. We just actually reached 400 subscribers. So we're going to be putting out more content. We really want to get to 1,000. You know, 1,000 is that key number on YouTube. So if you're not subscribed, it would be amazing if you could be. If you are interested in learning Amazon FBA, Tom and I, we do still have some spots open on our mentorship program. What we're doing basically is a 16-week coaching mentorship program where we teach you everything that we know about Amazon FBA in 2022. We show you everything that's working now, how you need to approach product research, how you need to do product launches. Yeah, it's amazing. If you want to start a real business, there is a link in the description down below where you can get in touch with myself and Tom, and we can jump on a call and see if it's a good fit. We're not taking on hundreds of people. We just don't have the time for that. So there's going to be a very, very small select group of people that we work with. So if you're interested in Amazon FBA and you want to learn it from some real sellers, then get in touch. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the update. I've got a couple more videos coming out this week. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And I think Tom will do a bit of an in-depth video on this tax situation that I mentioned previously. But I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing weekend.